This time I did it though, Dada.
You did? Wow, look at those. What else? What else is in your workbook?
There's another grade we never did before. Never did this one.
What is that one? Circle the kids who have 4 seashells. That sounds hard. How do you do that?
You
You count their seashells? How many they have?
no. You circle them.
It says circle the kids who have 4 seashells. So you have to figure out who has 4 seashells.
No, we just
You just want to circle everybody?
no. That's what we do.
Okay.
That's what it said.
Are you hanging? Yeah, you are. We have made it here to Peninsula Point Park in Anoka, Minnesota. Having some fun on some wet slides because it rained last night or this morning. But this one's all dry because I've gone down it twice, so my butt's all wet.
I really want to get a dog leash because then I would feel so much more comfortable.
Fun playground.
I don't have any
Yo
sticks.
sé. Ay, sí, ahí va. Dile, hola. Hi, boats. Hi.
Who's
No creo que nos ve.
who's
I'm going to take a picture of you 3.
Dada? Careful.
Pine forest fell to the loggers' axe into the Rum River
Pineries.
Pinery.
Whoa, can you do it one more time?
Yeah.
Ultimo.
2 more.
2 more, okay. 1. And do it again.
1 more.
Okay. Whoa!
Hold on, can you do one more?
Another side.
That looks like a crazy slide. Can you do that one?
No, it's a climbing rock.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Perkins.
Sounds
good.
A ver. Ay, pero qué guapo.
Oh, there's Alex. Hi, Alex.
Wow.
Alex, you gonna play peekaboo?
Wow.
Oh, it's you. Hi, Alex. Very cool, kid. Where's Alex? Oh, peekaboo. Hey, Daniel, where are we going?
To the splash pad for playground. The splash pad is in the playground.
No.
Yes, it is.
It's ground you can play on.
Huh?
It's definitely ground you can play on, though. Oh, watch out for kids, though. I know. But it's gonna start feeling better. Let's get you in the car. Then you'll feel better.
No!
Daniel had a tumble at the splash pad today. He's been crying a lot, but we got fireworks. We're home. He's been washed, so the wounds are clean, and now we're gonna put some big giant Band-Aid pads on them.
Oh, yeah, it's going all the way. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Porque está haciendo tirando las chispas. Esas son chispas. Was that it?
Yep. All right, this is gonna be the last one.
Why no more?
Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Ultimo, last one.
Okay. It's gonna be
Cuidado, Alex, no, venga para atrás. Venga, sí. Te la poner eso para.
It's gonna go.
Fireworks are fun. This is the last bag. Okay, we're gonna each take one. Hold it. Take and hold it.
I'm gonna get it out.
Watch out, because Daniel's right there. I don't want him throwing it at Daniel.
Hold on. We're all good. Hey, you were supposed to hold it. I thought we'd all do one at the same time.
I want all. I want some.
We gotta split them. You gotta share them. Okay.
Does it matter that?
I want
Ay, Jesus.
I'll drop them.
But,
Do you want one?
Okay.
but.
Here's a couple.
My
This one?
couple. This one. Oh, I didn't do anything.
It popped. What do you mean? You can reach and grab this one right there. Got it? Yep. Grab it. Yep. Drop it. That's not good, Alex.
But.
No, Alex, I think you're done.